Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishi and today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this smoky eye look with nude lips. So yeah, it was really fun doing it, really easy. I did it I think in I don't know, maybe 20 minutes or so, I think. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do this look, then please keep watching. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with an eyeshadow base, and actually I'm gonna be using an eyeshadow for that. And this one is from Lauder Mercier. I really love it. I do think that the eyeshadow will stick better, but you can use anything you like as an eyeshadow base. I just prefer this one. I know it's crazy. And I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette from ZOEVA. It's called Caramel Melange, I think it's pronounced, but yeah. And I'm going to be taking this color, the Finish Sensual, with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna be applying it on my eyelid, actually all over my eyelid. You can go also a bit over the crease. The next color, it will be this beautiful, I don't know, I think it's kind of a purple one. It's called Edible Gem, also with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to be applying it on the outer corner of my eye and just a little bit, a tiny little bit on the crease. The next thing I want to do is take a clear brush, a really fluffy one. This one is from MAC, and blend the colors together just in the crease, so that you don't have any harsh edges. Next thing I want to do is take this eye pencil from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be applying it on the upper eyelashes and on the under lashes, maybe even on the waterline. And don't worry if the line is not perfect, because we were going to be applying some eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking the two colors that I use, the Finish Sensual and Edible Gem. I'm going to be combining them and use them on the upper and lower lashes. Then again, with a fluffy brush, I'm going to be blending all together. Okay, now next I want to clean the eyeshadow, the felt on my face. And I'm gonna be preparing my face. I'm gonna be using this primer from Estee Lauder. Going to be using a small amount on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. For the eyes, I'm going to be taking this eye cream, also from Estee Lauder. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using this one from Estee Lauder, and I'm going to be taking a really small amount on my brush, starting at the center of my face. So now the next step will be the concealer, and I'm going to be using just a bit under my eyes. Now what I want to do next is going again with this fluffy brush and using the Finish Sensual, and I'm going to be applying it here under my eyes. Just to kind of erase the line between my eyeshadow and the concealer. Next, I'm gonna be using this powder from Givenchy. I do have an oily skin, and I do have to use powder. Then I'm gonna be fixing my eyebrows, and as always I'm gonna be using this brow kit from Anastasia. Next thing, I'm gonna be using some bronzer, and I'm gonna be using this bronzer from Estee Lauder. I'm gonna take a big brush, tap the excess. Next thing, the blush. And I will be using this one from Chanel. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be taking this small cutie from Too Faced. And then with my finger, I'm going to be applying a small amount on the bridge of my nose, just to give a bit of definition. Just that. And then next I'm going to do is do my lashes. I'm not going to be using any false lashes because my eyes are getting really itchy and watery. So yeah, I'm not a fan of false lashes, but I mean, if you guys love it, then please do. It's just not my case. And the next step are going to be the lips. I'm going to be using something more natural for this look, but you can also use red lips if you want, but I always choose one thing, lips or eyes. I don't do both because I think it's a little bit too much. I mean, to have the eyes really pop out and then the lips also, it just doesn't work for me. But like I said, if you want to use a red lip look with these eyes, with this smoky eye, then you can do it. I'm gonna be preparing just a bit my lips. They are feeling kind of dry at the moment. And as a lipstick, I'm gonna be going with this one from Kat Von D. I think it's in the shade Bow and Arrow. So, and this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below if you want to see something else. Of course, I do have something in mind, but I love to hear from you, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!